Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Elise's Eats, and today I'm going to show you how to make my version of seared salmon nigiri, and we're going to have a really nice kind of lime, gingery, teriyaki sauce on top with a little bit of Kewpie mayonnaise. It's just really lovely, really special, and we get to use a blowtorch and fire. Be safe, don't die. So these are the ingredients you're going to need. To make the sushi rice, you need 1 cup of short grain rice that I've washed until the water was clear, 1 1/4 cup of water to season the cooked rice, 1 tablespoon caster sugar, 1/2 teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, 1 fillet of fresh salmon without its skin. Now I'm using sashimi grade here. You can use regular if you like because we are searing this. Mine's about 200 grams. It also depends on how much you need depending on how big your nigiri are, how thick you put your salmon on top. For the sauce, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup soy sauce, 1/4 cup mirin, 1 tablespoon freshly grated ginger, 1 tablespoon fresh lime juice, and the zest of the lime as well. I've just taken 3 large-ish strips off, some sesame seeds for the top, and some Kewpie mayonnaise. So first what we're going to do is put in a small saucepan our rice and water, bring it to a boil, then let it simmer, and then we're going to cover that and let it cook for about 10 minutes or until it's nice and cooked. Then at the same time, we're going to put all of our sauce ingredients into a small pan and let it boil away until we're ready to use it. I want it to reduce and become a little bit sticky. Let's do that. Now I'm cutting my salmon fillet in half, and I'm gonna cut it in about 1/2 centimeter pieces. You're basically wanting bite-sized pieces of salmon. This should be enough just to cover the rice bowls, which I'm so excited to make. Now a tip just with your salmon, if your salmon ever smells fishy, that actually means it's not very fresh. It shouldn't actually smell like anything. That's the good quality salmon. Now at about 8 minutes, check on your rice. And if it's fully cooked through and a little bit sticky, this is when you just take it off the heat, put a tea towel over it and the lid back on. This gets rid of any excess moisture. Now to season our rice, we're putting the sugar and salt into our rice wine vinegar. Then we're going to pour it into our hot rice and mix it around, then put it on a large plate, spread it out, and we're going to fan it until it's slightly cool so we can handle it easily. Once our sauce has reduced by about half, take it off the heat and strain it so that we get out any lumps. Now to assemble these, we're going to take about a tablespoon or so of rice, and with wet hands we're going to roll it around into a bite-sized piece of rice, about the same size as our salmon. Then we're going to lay the salmon on top, get our blowtorch, torch it until it's lightly seared. Yoo! Then we're going to put a dollop of Kewpie mayonnaise, spoon a small amount of sauce over the top, and top it off with sesame seeds. So in total, we probably got between 18 to 25 pieces of nigiri. Okay guys, so that's how you make my seared salmon nigiri. It's really quick, really simple, and you can blowtorch it in front of your friends and they'll go like, oh my God, and you'll be like, yes, I know I'm awesome. And it tastes amazing, so I just say, let's eat, not another word. Flavia, get over here.
Not another word.
Yes. Now.
Oh, I remember when you made this for me the first time we were catering together.
Yeah.
And I was like, ee, so cute. I love this.
Alrighty.
Oh, salmon is beautiful. The sauce is beautiful. Oh, it's just a mouthful of beautiful.
It's just a great thing to have to give to people, because they'll be like, wow, you're amazing. You'll be like, yes.
Yes, I am.
Yes, indeed. It's actually really simple, but it's so impressive as well. It just looks fancy. Do it. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it now.
Make it good. Make that salmon nigiri like you should.
Hey, very nice.
I know I said salmon.
Salmon nigiri. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video.
Like and subscribe if you want to see more.
And leave a comment in the section below so that we can make something you've always wanted to eat. Because I love it.
Bye.
Preferably anime or something TV related or something like that, or something awesome game related.